Hey everybody, Massachusetts Prepper here. As you can see, we got a snowstorm going on. That's right, February 7th. And I know a lot of my viewers are down there in Texas and North Carolina and, you know, some of the southern states. Well, this is what we got going on. While y'all got those 60, 70 degree temperatures, we don't have that. So, yeah, just however you want to look, it's just snowing. But yeah, let me just take you out here, show you what's going on with the bees in Massachusetts. Not a whole lot, and I'm not going to open up any hives. I'll turn y'all around here. Yep, the girls are buttoned up here in my backyard. These are just the 5 hives that's in my backyard. They're all buttoned up. They're not doing much. They're hunkered down, gonna weather this storm. But yeah, just a beautiful day here in Massachusetts. Yep. Yeah, let me bring you over here and show you these strawberry beds. Look at them girls. All these strawberry beds. Doing wonderful. We should have strawberries any day now. Oh yeah, this is our most mature bed. And of course, we got nothing growing down there. But yeah, we got these snowberries going on here. So with that being said, enjoy your warm weather that you got going on all over the place. And I'm gonna go back inside and hunker down where it's nice and warm and let this snowstorm pass me by. Then I'll come out and clean up the mess. You survive whatever comes your way. You don't have to go through a snowstorm in Northwestern Massachusetts. You just might. Just a Massachusetts Prepper saying, take care all.